So today I'm taking you to Michael's so we can look at the Halloween stuff. Let's go shopping. Alright, we're going to start with this section because it's pretty cute. This is like all made out of like paper mache kind of. Those little figurines. But this, I love this section. It's very vintage looking. So this is like one of my favorite sections. That sign was cute. Alright, let's start up here. These sitters are so cute. They're good size. They're pretty good. They'd be nice for putting on the mantle. And that sign too, that trick or treat. And this, see, these are all like the Halloween figurines, like I told you, are paper mache. There's two, they're really adorable. They'd be cute to just put anywhere around the house, on the fireplace. Love this little sign. You could put this on like a 3-tier tray. These jars are cute. This is like a felt kind of pumpkin. These figures are cute too. This is like a, candle holder, which is really nice. Some books. Don't forget, pick up those books for decorating. This is really cute. This skeleton, this Hocus Pocus sign is cute. This sign is really cute. It has, everything that every little saint for Halloween. This is really cute. The moon. These trick-or-treating Halloween signs. More candle holders. These are cute little buckets. These are my favorite, these black and white, and this little galvanized jack-o'-lantern. These are cute too. They won't stand up, but they're really, really cute. There are 3 of them. And then these little sitters are so adorable. I have such a great idea with these little sitters. So they're very, very cute. These are adorable too. These signs. Okay, more signs. I like this witch, parking only. Okay, these signs are really, really cute. They have a lot of variety. This one's cute. The witch is in or out. You can put those are cute little bottles. Those like potion bottles. I just love them. I love this hat. Clock hat. That sign is really, really big, and it's like a chalkboard. You can write the days until Halloween. Okay, I'm loving these little witch boots, and then next to it was a calendar. You can switch the days. These witches are really cute. I like the way they look. This is like a little storybook, Halloween storybook that lights up. That one's cute too, but wouldn't light up. And these are like very different. I like those. I love this haunted house, the black one. You put candles in, it shines. This little cat pillow is cute. Alright, let's go see over here. More signs. I like this. The Wicked Witch and her little monsters. It's actually an easel. That's cute with the broom. I love these 2 are like my favorite for garland this year. Okay, more haunted houses. And these are like lanterns, they light up. Candy jars. I like these candles, and I like how they look. More candle holders. This is candy holders. Okay, and these are cute ornaments if you want to decorate like a tree, not a Christmas tree, a Halloween. Like this one down here is so cute. You can put the ornaments on that. Okay, so these are very glittery, very cute though. I don't buy too much glitter, but I love these. Okay, and these are like nutcrackers, but Halloween ones. They're really cute, and then more like floral with the glitter. Okay, this section's more like a spooky mansion kind of, the side, and the other side is like skeletons. Alright, let's start with this side. I love that wreath. And these are really nice sparkly branches. Okay, there's a lot of skeletons on the side, which is, I love the skeletons. I like to put them in my foyer, in my entryway. That's doing a yoga pose. It's a bottle, those whole bottles. We have signs. I like this one. That's why I'm looking at it, and it lights up. More skeletons, a lot of skeletons. More skeleton sign. That's a big skeleton head. That's pretty good. I like that one. And I just love these eyeballs. I would like to get a whole bunch of them, put them like in a jar, in a, you know, any kind of jar, like apothecary jar, or just a regular one. I'm loving this pumpkin you just seen down there with the flowers, the pink and the purple. I'm thinking of getting that in this pillow. It's very different, so I really love that. And this pillow too. I like these books. I say get the books for decorating. They're good decorating props. Okay, more stuff. Cute little love potion bottle. I love that beware sign. It's pretty big. This is cute too. It lights up. More potion bottles. I'm loving the potion bottles. More floral, which are a really nice floral this year. Love those big keys. That's a nice sign. I didn't show you, but it lights up. I love these two. These are so, I love these picture frames. They move, they like change like scary looking faces. Alright, more candles. I love these candle holders. They come in gold and in black. Alright, this section is just like big, rubbery, scary snakes and bats and cats and frogs. I like this section. I didn't see that last year, but I like that section. My kids were scared. Alright, I like this pumpkin that lights up. Very cute. You can put on your door. And more like scary props. Some ghosts. Tombstones. This one lights up. I couldn't find where the button was. More scary props. I like those chains by the side. More skeleton heads. I love these skeletons. I bought one last year, but I'm looking to buy one more. I love them. I like the posable ones. I think this one, I'm trying to figure what it does. It has a little button, but my son figured it out. He said you have to, I think, by his head, and his eyes light up. The one I got last year didn't light up, but this one does. I like it. I want to like dress them up, I guess. I don't know. I want to do something fun. Alright, more skeleton animals. Alright, so stay tuned for my haul, my Michael's Halloween haul. It's coming up really soon. Thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye!